You've been waiting, praying, and wondering, God, when is my breakthrough coming? Maybe it's a child, a healing, a job, or a relationship, and it feels like nothing is changing. Hannah in the Bible knew exactly how that feels. She wept, she prayed, and for a long time she saw no results. But there was a moment when something shifted before her miracle ever showed up. Today, I want to show you how Hannah's faith and her decision to thank God in advance can completely change the way you wait for your own breakthrough. She thanked God before she saw the breakthrough. Let's do the same. Now, let's talk about when God remembered Hannah. 1 Samuel chapter 1, verse 19 through 20 says, I'm improvising a little bit. Early the next morning, they arose and worshiped before the Lord. Then they went back home. When they got home, Elkanah made love to his wife Hannah, and the Lord remembered her. So, in the course of time, Hannah became pregnant and gave birth to a son, and she named him Samuel. The Lord remembered her. Not because he forgot, but because now was the perfect time. Now was the right time. And when God gave her Samuel, she didn't just get a baby, she got a prophet, she got a priest, she got a leader, and she got a history maker. Her pain had purpose. Her waiting had meaning. Her breakthrough carried destiny, and so will yours. And that is what you need to remember when you're asking God. Some of us, He has to take time with us to give us the things that we can move forward in, because it takes time to be prepared and it takes time to prepare you. Very, very important.